Mistakes I made when I first started networking as a virtual assistant and how you can avoid them. I'll share essential networking strategies that can open doors to new clients and collaborations, online and offline. Don't miss out on these tips that can transform your professional network and boost your VA career. I'm Alaina Case, the founder of Elite VA Services, and we support women in building virtual assistant businesses for a life filled with freedom and flexibility. So let's talk about networking. Online, start by polishing your LinkedIn profile. Make it client-focused, highlighting how you solve problems. Regularly engage with content relevant to your industry, and don't shy away from starting conversations. Offline, consider attending industry conferences and local business meetups. These are gold mines for connecting with potential clients and peers. Always have your elevator pitch ready and make sure it communicates clearly who you are and how you help your clients. Join virtual assistant groups and provide valuable knowledge. Participate and look for ways to contribute in the discussion. It can elevate your visibility and credibility. If you want to expand your professional circle, DM guide so that you can get our secret formula to becoming a VA guide to help you launch your virtual assistant business and secure your first client.